Previously on It Takes Two.
Get over there.
Ah, you!
This would be what would happen if we were married.
Yeah, you would throw magic nails, and I would have a magic hammer, talking hammer.
All right, I see what I have to do.
Damn
There
it!
you go.
No, you're missing it. You're gonna kill me again. You're just watching me die. Okay. Whew, all right, we're doing it. We're doing this.
You had no
Bonk.
faith in me.
Oh, you let me die a whole bunch of times.
Hey, got a nail. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
How come you're getting everything? I don't know what that does.
No!
Oh my God, I saved your life without even noticing.
I hope not.
What the fuck?
Ah!
You failed.
All right.
Give me a sec.
No, I'm trying to think of where to go.
Oh, I
from
got
here.
it. I got it. You gotta do that.
Oh, you're right. Smart. Okay.
Okay, and then I'll shoot that.
Yep, that one. Whatcha?
I'll shoot that.
This game's so cool.
Should be good. You wanna get me out of here, handsome?
If I feel like it.
I'll give you a big smooth.
Bonk. Bonk.
Picking it open.
What if all of his friends are dead inside?
What the fuck? What is this shed? What the hell?
Oh, it's another boss fight.
Yeah, kind of.
Oh my God.
I'm going. Oh, I died. Have to watch out for the nails.
Get off
For
me.
the nails. It's Christmas. Ow!
I'm dead.
I died as well. We both died. You can die.
I'm going.
Ow!
That's the worst moment.
Do it.
Ah. Bonk. Bonk it. I bonked it.
Oh yeah, I got it. Alright, go. Holy shit.
Come on.
Do we have to face Nail Monster? Oh my god, he's getting robot arms!
He's got arms.
Shit.
Oh, nail his arms.
Oh, I got it, ow.
Ow. Oh, nail his arm. Nail his arm down.
Nailing him. Go, 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 go!
Right.
You didn't go.
So when it was down,
Yeah,
there's
I
a
saw it.
hole right here.
Oh, okay. Watch out for nails.
See, right there, right there.
Good. Now get me to the
Go.
other side.
Oh, I know. Locks.
Crack him open.
Ah!
May, watch out! Oh, oh. Holy shit! That's a ray gun!
No, I don't think that's a ray gun.
That's a ray.
Yeah. Next time I'll find a smaller one.
We get the ball now.
Ow! Ow!
Oh. Man. Ah!
Oh my God! Ah, I died.
Get back
Come
away.
on, just don't die, just don't die, just don't die.
Trying!
Nail her down.
Go! Go!
Put.
Alright, we're doing good. We lost an arm.
Alright. So badass.
Shit. Wait, where's your hammer? Okay.
I saw hairsprays up there. Yep. I
Oh,
knew
okay.
it.
I got hit it.
I don't like how he's trying to spank me.
Grandma.
Stop trying to spank me. Oh, get on, get on, get on.
Go!
Ah.
Oh man! Go,
All right,
go,
get
go.
on. Ja.
Ah! I didn't get enough.
Stop with the nails, dude.
There's so many guys. Oh my god, that's a saw! Ah! Honey,
Ow.
I'm scared.
I'm also scared.
Alright, alright, alright.
Don't die.
I died.
Oh my god, if we have to restart this.
Ah, fuck, we gotta start.
Oh my god. Ow. Get up,
Get up, get up, get up. Alright, we're good, we're good. We
All right,
both
we
dodged
made
it.
it.
Nice.
We're fine.
Go!
Get on. Ja.
Oh, come on!
I don't know if we're gonna last that much longer. Come on.
Oh no. We are running out of real estate.
It's free real estate. I don't like spanks.
Alright, alright, alright. Go! God! Huh.
You're just destroying the shed, man.
Hey, look at them.
Oh, wow.
Yes, I'm ready. I'm so ready for this. Ooh, it tickles. It tickles.
It tickles. Oh my god, they're killing this guy.
There you go.
No, they're doing a lot more than killing.
Yeah, they stuck a thing up his metaphor.
Yeah.
Thank you, May. You are a true hero.
Oh, thank you, Hammer.
Hey, what about me?
Yeah.
Huh? I was part of
Well,
this
my
too.
chopped
Where's
liver?
my hero love. Did you see that explosion?
Anyway, we still have to get to Rose.
Oh, of course, of course. Sebastian, can you help him out? They have to get to the other side.
Sebastian the Saw.
Sebastian the Sun.
Flexible. Step on board.
Oh, I see what they're doing.
Come on, it's safe.
Okay, ooh.
This doesn't feel safe. I'm not sure.
It
Just
does not
relax.
feel safe.
Don't worry.
shit.
It's very precise. Sebastian,
He's
sling
just gonna fling us.
Oh god.
Oh my
Slow.
god.
This is.
Oh no.
Jeez.
She's leaving.
Why? She's been here for like 8
You
hours.
It's us. Mum and Dad. Don't close the door.
What the fuck,
What a dick.
Hakeem?
Rose! Oh, you stupid buck!
Paul, you can't sit, you idiot.
Now we're stuck in here. Stuckness is a mental construct.
Is stuckness a word?
I guess.
The one that's open. Okay, FYI, there is only one door in this shed.
And one window.
Good thinking, man.
I got it.
Whoa.
We go in the window.
I got it.
The window. Whoa.
I'm the woman.
Out of his mind, okay?
You are the woman.
Herbie.
What the hell?
Oh, we can skateboard?
I guess.
It's so cool.
The more you. Oh,
Dash.
I'm so much faster.
Whoa. Ja, I'm so good at this.
I died.
Whoa. How I was on it. How did that do that?
So-
Why?
Ah!
We need
Hey,
to
hon.
time this together.
All right.
We do?
One more time.
Oh. Oh, I get it. I get it. We both had to hit them at the same time.
Alright, I'll go when you're ready. Alright, you
All
ready?
right, you go. You go.
Alright, go.
I'm going. Mine's a lot shorter than yours. I missed. I pressed X instead of Y.
You're
I'm
the
a failure.
worst wife I
I'm
could
a
have ever
failure.
asked for.
I'm a terrible wife. I'm sorry.
Okay, wait, okay, set the aim up, same time. Okay, go. Okay, yeah. Not bad, not bad.
It's your old binoculars.
Amazing.
Yes, love binoculars.
I am as well.
See,
That's me!
oh, I look dead.
We're dead.
We don't love each other.
Is that Rose sat down there with her dolls, and then you two came alive.
And then we two
Just
came.
like that? You didn't see
We did.
anything else.
She was crying.
Oh,
I know, quite unusual for Rose.
What?
I am 100% sure because I could see her tears falling onto the dolls.
Aww.
Tears were falling onto the dolls. Oh, wait a minute. I know what happened. It's a spell!
Don't be ridiculous, Cody. We've got to
Um,
apply logic.
It's the only one. It's the only possible
It's
way.
the only logic.
Conversation with a pair of binoculars. There is no logic in that.
For goodness sake, I don't even believe in spells.
Okay.
She's
do
an
you believe
engineer.
You could be turned into a wooden doll, huh? Exactly. It
Exactly.
had to be the tears. It was a spell, I am telling you.
It's gotta be a spell.
It's gotta be a spell. He knows.
If it is a spell, how do we break it?
Okay, I got this. Yeah, me and Rose, we read all about this spell. So I'm a virtual wizard right now, okay? Just give me some
Virtual.
I'm pretty
though.
good at this. I'm gonna say like Alakazam or something.
Okay, so if the spell was cast through her tears, then in order to break it... Oh. In order to break it, we have to reverse it through her tears! Boom!
What?
Right.
Okay.
We basically have to find her and make her cry on us again.
Ah.
Of course.
Okay.
Yes, the most obvious
Yeah.
answer.
Tears.
Do you
I
know
don't
where to
think that's
find
how
her,
it
Miss
works.
Binoculars?
I can't see anything.
I am blind.
I am blind.
Go on. Okay, thanks. Come on, May.
Come on,
Oh, but how do we
the
get
May.
to her room from here?
Easy, we just climbed the tree.
Yeah, it's that easy. No, come
We're
on.
going to the tree.
Oh, this way.
Where are we going?
What? You're never gonna make that jump.
Yeah? Watch me.
And if you double jump,